Hello folks, back out in the garage again today. Today we're going to go ahead and start working with this stuff a little bit. Hopefully I'll get both sides done. I did manage to get the rocker panel on the driver's side done last night. I did it off camera, but I'll bring you in and show you what I did, and I'll also put some stills up what my the hole looked like, or not the hole, but the patch looked like before I welded it, and also the area before I did anything to it. So I'll bring you in and show you that, and we'll see how much I get done today. I'll bring you along for the ride. The welds turned out pretty good considering. I'm pretty happy for it, or with it. I do need to do a lot of grinding. That's a pretty big glob there, and actually there's some stuff here but this whole lip needs to come down some. So I got a little bit of grinding work to do. I'll do that real quick and bring you back and show you what I've got, and then I'll start cleaning all this stuff here out and the floor so that I can start getting everything cleaned up and ready for that POR-15. On the other side, before I do all this too, I've got to get up into the dash there. There was some rust spot areas up in there that I would like to treat with that stuff as well. So, but that's my goal for tonight. Get all this treated, and so that we can stop this rust dead in its tracks. But I'll grind this off and bring it back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I don't know how well you guys can see this. The lighting's not real great over here, but it's ground down pretty good. Again, just like on the other side, I got to get a good hard disc to get up in this area here. I managed to get it off there some, but could still use more. But anyway, that's good enough for now until I start doing the body work on this thing and get ready to do filler and primer and stuff like that. One more area that I do need to address that I can't forget about is this right here. So I'll hit that real quick with that flap wheel. See if I can make it look any better. And off camera, I'm gonna do the area over on the other side of the truck up towards the dash, and get that done and get it cleaned out and get ready to start using this POR-15 product. And I will bring you in to show you how that goes. Well, here's a bit of a revolting development. Reading the instructions in this thing, which I should have done in the store, but I did watch several YouTube videos on it, and I don't recall ever seeing this. You got to wash, or you got to put the greaser down and then wash it off with water. Then you have to put the metal prep down, wash it off with water, let it dry. Then, and only then, are you supposed to do the POR-15. A little bit of a problem with this is, for one, I don't have water out here in the garage, and I mean, I could probably get a bucket or something like that, but it wouldn't rinse it off that well. I mean, with a sponge or a rag, I don't have what I need to do that with. So I'm going to do the stupid thing, I guess. I've already vacuumed it out. It's pretty clean. I mean, it's all freshly ground stuff, or wire brush stuff, and then vacuumed. I'm just going to put it down with the POR-15 without the metal prep and say to heck with it. If it I'll keep an eye on it. If it starts to rust again, then I'll pull it back out, and when I get it into a place where I can actually treat it with water, then I'll try it again. But for now, I'm going to just put the fiberglass down, or put the POR-15 down, and then cut fiberglass ahead of time, and then put that down on top of it and soak it in, and pray for the best. That's all I can do. I don't have water out here, and the reason why I don't have water out here is because in the wintertime it would freeze solid and bust, and I would have a mess everywhere. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll bring you back in here in a minute. Well, right or wrong, it's done. Fumes are pretty strong on this stuff. And that's the driver's side, of course. I'll take you around to the passenger side. There's the passenger side. I got that hole there taken care of. All along there. And the one area right over in there. Or where is it? Right there. Hard to see with the black on there. But this stuff's supposed to dry in a day. I don't know how it's going to do, being as I didn't follow the instructions. But I don't have, like I said, I don't have water here. And I'm kind of on a time crunch because today's probably going to be in the 60s all night. And then in the next couple of days, we're supposed to be down to freezing again. So you can't use this stuff under 50 degrees, I believe is what it said. So we're going to call the inside and the rocker panels done. I will come back and spray all this color with red eventually. I've got one area up in there. I did get up in there and hit all those with the wire brush and the flap wheel, and some of them, there was just nothing there. I mean, it was just crinkled paint, that's all. So I'll get that with hit that with some primer and some Regal Red and call it done. So that's where we stand for now. Okay, folks, I'm gonna call it a night tonight. I've got it about as far as I can go with the rocker panels and the rust on the inside. Oh, great. I got much of that black stuff on my face. Great. Anyway, we're going to call it a day for now. And then over the weekend, I'm going to get the bed moved back and start working on the cab corners. So next time I see you, that's what I'll be working on. Thanks for coming along for a ride. Please like and subscribe. And don't make too much fun of my big black mark. I'm probably going to be wearing that next time. From what they say, it stays on you for quite a while. I'll try to get it off with some denatured alcohol or some acetone. But anyway, y'all have a good day. Bye.